What I'm going to do now is show you the custom prompting feature. This is where you can virtually stage the image, remove everything in the image, and best present it as it would look if the home was virtually staged, without having to rely on an editor. Instant results. So what we're going to do is go down to this custom AI prompt section. What we're going to type is remove all items from this room, replace with modern bedroom furniture, queen bed, 2 bedside tables, and a plant. The model's going to understand what you want to do here, and then we just hit enhance. Now it's generating the image. And preparing it for download so we can see those results before and after. Look at that. That is absolutely phenomenal.